Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. We have active weather in some of our areas. A few sprinkles are going to fall around the region. Should clear off later today, and most of the rain, if at all, any rain will fall in the mountains, mainly towards the foothills of the Blues today. Overall, a little bit cooler than we were yesterday. Pretty pleasant for Mother's Day activities. Look for breezy winds to decrease compared to yesterday, and overall a very mild day outside. For tonight, we're going to be down in the 40s all through the area. A little bit cooler here tonight in Ellensburg and Yakima. Mid 40s for the Tri-Cities and for the foothills of the Blues. Have a great Mother's Day. Thanks for watching Apple Valley News Now.